Weed tea is a natural, homemade fertilizer made from common garden weeds. It's a simple way to nourish your vegetables and fruit trees while also putting those pesky weeds to good use. The process involves soaking weeds in water for a period, allowing the nutrients locked within the plants to leach into the water. The resulting tea is packed with essential nutrients that plants love, like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, which are vital for healthy growth. This organic approach to feeding your plants is not only environmentally friendly, but also helps improve the overall health of your garden soil, leading to stronger, more resilient plants. We have multiple videos on our channel that show you how to make weed tea step by step. Whether you're new to gardening or an experienced grower, these tutorials will guide you through the entire process, from gathering the weeds to applying the tea to your plants. You'll find that it's a straightforward method that doesn't require any special equipment, and the results can be seen in the lush growth of your vegetables and fruit trees. Be sure to check out our channel for these easy-to-follow tutorials and start making your own weed tea today. Using weed tea in your garden offers several benefits that contribute to the overall health and productivity of your plants. Firstly, it's a rich source of nutrients that plants need to thrive. Nitrogen, which is abundant in many garden weeds, is essential for leafy growth. Potassium helps with root development and overall plant health, while phosphorus is crucial for flowering and fruiting. When these nutrients are applied through weed tea, they are in a form that plants can readily absorb, leading to healthier, more vigorous growth. Another benefit of weed tea is that it can improve soil structure and microbial activity. The organic matter in the tea helps build up the soil, making it more fertile and better at retaining moisture. This is especially important for fruit trees, which need a consistent supply of nutrients and water to produce a good harvest. Additionally, the beneficial microbes present in the tea can help break down organic matter in the soil, making nutrients more available to plants and improving soil health over time. Weed tea is also a cost-effective solution for fertilizing your garden. Since the main ingredient is something you would typically throw away, you're essentially creating free fertilizer from materials you already have on hand. This not only saves money, but also reduces waste, making your gardening practices more sustainable. Plus, by using weed tea, you're avoiding the use of chemical fertilizers, which can harm the environment and the beneficial organisms living in your soil. Finally, weed tea can help suppress certain pests and diseases in your garden. The strong smell of the tea can act as a deterrent to some insects, while the nutrients in the tea help strengthen plants, making them more resistant to disease. This means you'll spend less time dealing with garden problems and more time enjoying the fruits of your labor. In conclusion, weed tea is a simple, effective way to boost the health and productivity of your garden. By using this natural fertilizer, you'll be giving your vegetables and fruit trees the nutrients they need to grow strong and produce abundantly. Don't forget to visit our channel for detailed tutorials on how to make your own weed tea and start reaping the benefits in your garden. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful and want more gardening tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other content.